In exercise 15.3 you have given table in this way, and from the table we have draw the graph, that is line graph. First understand very well table. In first column you have given number of apples, and in second column we have given cost in rupees. If you bought one apple, then you have paid 5 rupees. If you bring 2 apples, you have paid 10 rupees. 3 apples 15 rupees. 4 apples 20 rupees. 5 apples 25 rupees. See, this is in order 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this variable we can take on x axis, this variable we can take on y axis. The cause is this may be changed. Here is the 10, 5, 10, 15, but sometimes here is the 10 directly given 25, whatever, then it is independent variable. So we can take this on y axis and this is on x axis. Okay, so to draw this graph, draw the axis in this way. Here is the origin, x axis, y axis. Okay, number of apples we are going to take on x axis. On the graph there must be represent what we have taken on x axis, what we have taken on y axis. Cost in rupees, here cost in rupees, this is on y axis. Okay, cost we know that 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15, 20, 25. Number of apples 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is number of apples. And here is the cost 5, so we can take 5. Distance must be same at all the place, otherwise your scale will be wrong. 5 centimeter equal to 5 rupees. 15, 20, 25, 30, okay, whatever, but it must be in order. Now see, number of apples is 1. Then cost is 5 rupees. So we can take first order pair, that this is x and this is y coordinate. Suppose 1 and 5 in this way, 2 and 10 in this way, 3 and 15, 4 and 20, 5 and 25. So all the first number in graph it must be x coordinate, on second this is the y coordinates. Okay, so x coordinate we are going to take 1, that is 1 apple and 5. So we can see here this is x coordinate 1 and this is 5. We can draw in this way first and put point here in this way. Then did not this line, you can rough it. Okay, so this is the first point, 1 and 5. Now second, 2 and 10. X coordinate 2 and y coordinate 10. In this way, mutual here. So we can draw point. And now remove this line. If you put as it is, there is no problem. But in graph, you have to remove this line. 3 and 15. So x coordinate 3 and y coordinate 15. You can draw light line in graph first. In this way. Put the point here. Then remove. Okay. 4 and 20. So 4 and 20. In this way. Draw this point. Then remove this line. If you put as it is light line, then no problem. 5 and 25. So this is 5 and this is 25. In this way, light line you can draw with the help of scale in your graph sheet and obtain this point. Okay, if you obtain, then rub this line. Now what we have to draw the graph, that is line graph. So draw this, all these points join with the help of scale. So it will be line graph. Okay, so question 1, this was the A. This was the A. So draw in your graph sheet. Now, student, we will continue question 2, 15.3. Question 2. Okay. Question 1B. 15.3 question 1B. This is second part. B. Okay. Here is the draw the graph of the given information, given table. Here is the side is given, side of square 2 cm, 3 cm, 3.5 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm. And perimeter in centimeter 8, 12, 14, 20 and 24. What is given here? Square. Here is the you have given square. Okay. And perimeter side is the 2. So all the side will be 2. Okay. What is the meaning of perimeter? Sum of the all sides. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is 8. You can confirm all this in this way. Okay, so this is the perimeter. So if the side of square is 2 cm, then perimeter is 8 cm. Side of square is 3 cm, then perimeter will be 12. You can understand all the following. So we can make first order pair x and y, that is 2, 8, 3, 12, 3.5, 14, 5, 20 and 6 and 24. Okay, this is the given question. Understand question very well. Now we are going to draw the graph. To draw the graph, draw x-axis and y-axis. This is origin. Okay, side of square starting from 2, but we cannot take starting from 2 directly 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we also need 6, so we can write 6 also here. Perimeter 8, 12, 14, 20, 24. So we can write 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, then 20, 24, 28. Okay, here is the 8, 12, 14, 20. But according to our scale, this is 4, then double 8, 12, then 4 add 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 4, 24, 24 plus 8, 4, 28. Okay, in this way. If you need more, 32. So 5 centimeter equal to 4 centimeter perimeter. Okay, so this is the scale. If you want to write scale on your graph, you can write. Okay, now see first point, x and y coordinates. If x side of square is 2 cm, then perimeter is 8. So 2 and 8. So this is 2 and this is 8. You can draw line in this way first in your graph, light line. Okay, in this way, draw this first line. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. So x coordinate 2 and y coordinate 8. obtain point here. Okay, then rough this line. Okay, now 3 and 12. So this is 12 and this is 3. X axis on we can take 3 and y axis on we can take 12. Obtain this point. Then rough this line. Did not. Okay, in this way. 3.5 and 14. This is 3 and this is 4. Between 3 and 4, we can consider 3.5. So 3.5 and 14. Okay. So where will be 14? 4, 8, 12, 16. So in between here, 14 will be considered. 14 will be here. This is 14, 12, 14, 16. So 3.5. If we draw dot line, then no problem. This is 3.5 and this is 14. 14 will be obtained between 12 and 16. So draw this point, this point plotting, and remove this line now. Okay. Side of square 5. Then perimeter will be 20. If you draw dot line in this way and obtain point here, then rough this point, rough this line, dot line or lifeline, whatever. Last side of square is 6 cm, then perimeter will be 24. Here is the 6 and 24. In this way, we can draw dot line and mutual here. So obtain the mutual point. Okay, and remove this point now. Remove this line now. If you draw as it is, then graph will not be wrong. But there are more line can be seen. Okay, marks will not be cut if you don't rub this line. But in the graph, there are more line can be seen, and your original graph will not be seen properly. Okay, so now what we have to draw the graph. So to draw the graph, what we have to join all the point in line, that is line graph. In this way, this is line graph. Line graph. Okay, so draw this graph in your notebook